my name is Peter Pash, and I live currently in Parker, Colorado. And my background is I worked for a robotics engineering firm for 10 years. I started out as a junior mechanical engineer, worked my way up to senior mechanical engineer. So about the time when I decided to leave robotic systems, they didn't really have any more open positions in the technical side of things. I would have had to continue working as configuration manager, and that wasn't something I was interested in doing. That's when I made the switch over to LAN WAN into another technical field that's different but has similarities from a professional standpoint. So during my process of looking for a senior mechanical engineering job, I saw the advertisement from WAN Professionals, and I was like, hey, that sounds interesting. You know, I've always been interested in internet technologies. I've always been asking our IT staff questions and trying to learn more information, and I thought, hey, I'd love to learn more about it and see where it goes. What really caused me to pursue WAN Professional in depth was the combination of the technical element as well as the company standpoint that you wouldn't have to pay until you got a job. It was the addition of not only them teaching you the technical elements, but also teaching you even professional skills as far as resume writing and interviewing, because that was something I struggled with even trying to switch jobs. Currently, I work for SunGuard Availability Services, which is a large managed internet provider. We have our own core structure, and we have locations both within the United States as well as around the world. I primarily work in the Technical Operations Center, which is focused on routing and switching. It's a really good company. One thing I really like about the company compared to my other company is they're very employee-focused. They do a lot for their employees. They have a lot of programs for their employees, a lot of training for their employees. It's something I really, really like about this company. My quality of life right now is really good. The IT industry, I got paid what I made after 10 years working as a mechanical engineer was a starting salary as to what I made as a starting salary, network engineer. So I can only go up from here. I'm only considered a network engineer 1 at this company. It's a very, very competitive, and they like to promote from within, so that's good. It's good to have salary again. When I went to the LAN WAN training, I had an hourly position, so praise to LAN WAN that they didn't start charging me until I got a job, because otherwise I would have never been able to afford this. I have colleagues that went to network engineering colleges, had to pay up front. I wasn't able to do that. For the new quality of life, my family is happy that we're not in the hourly position anymore, because that was very time-consuming with not a lot of pay. So, in between the time, it was about 2 years that I worked in the hourly position when I was doing LAN WAN stuff, and couldn't find a mechanical engineering position, so just decided to focus on looking for a network engineering position instead. So, the quality of life has improved in that way. WAN Professional was the right choice for me from a threefold perspective. They taught me the technology, the concept of the technology. They gave me, or maybe fourfold, they gave me hands-on exposure. Their payment plan was extremely effective for me because of where I was at financially. So that was very important. And then also the career training. I know from my college experience, my career training was like a week. Here's the career center, here's a little bit of training, go find a job. But the career training that LAN WAN provides is a lot better. The skills that you learn as far as the interviewing process, the resume writing process, those skills last a lifetime. And those are skills that I didn't know how to do even as a senior mechanical engineer. I probably sounded like a junior mechanical engineer just because of the way I would answer questions. LAN WAN Professional impacted my life in the fact that they gave me the ability to do a career change in a very fast manner. They gave me the technical concepts and the hands-on skills and exposure from a professionalism standpoint to be able to get a job and then begin the process of getting the experience that I need to, give me the foundation to become a really good network engineer. Yeah, I would definitely recommend LAN WAN Professional, especially from the standpoint of the monetary aspect. I think that's something that's different that they offer that no other industry offers. You can get a loan out, you can take out other things, but they offer where they're not going to start charging you until you advance or until you get the job.